Hey everybody, I'm going to do a really quick video cooking some bratwurst. I made a video when somebody put a comment on it that they don't pierce theirs and they just cook them for 13 minutes at 400. So we're going to give that a shot here. Alright, load it up. Got 5 of them in there. And we're going 13 minutes at 400 degrees, and we'll see how they turn out. All right, so there's 13 minutes, and you hear them going in there. I didn't hear any explode, though. So here's what we're left with here. None of them blew up like I thought they might. So that's a good thing here. And so cut one open and see what we got here. Yeah, and it's cooked. I guess that works. You don't have to pierce them. So 13 minutes at 400 looks like I did a good job. So I guess I'm going to probably switch to doing it this way. So anyway, yeah, person commented I wanted to try it out. If you got any questions or comments or anything, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.